Welcome back to our channel. Today we're looking at factors to consider for a long-term plan to replace 3M Novec fluids. In 2022, the 3M company announced that they are discontinuing all Novec fluids by the end of 2025. And now let's join Mike Bangasser, President of Best Technology, in the webinar Understanding 3M Product Discontinuation.
Let's look at the long term. Over time, as every company innovates, they're going to replace their current capital equipment. And what is the plan to look at other technologies that can replace fluorinated fluids if those get regulated down the road? What does it look like to move to an aqueous application or a different solvent that meets future, not defined yet, but future regulatory requirements in that end? So companies have to start budgeting capital for purchasing this equipment, and then an extensive plan process development. So that's why I say this is really our long-term rather than immediate end. It's going to take time on both of these. As we talked about, the chemical innovation isn't even there yet to catch up with the changing regulatory climate. So there's a lot that's needed to go into the future investments and make sure that they're long-term investments and they're not short-sighted.
Thanks, Mike, for those insights into a long-term plan to replace 3M Novec fluids. For the latest news on the 3M Novec phase-out, visit the Best Technology website. Contact an applications expert at Best Technology to learn how you can start your transition to a 3M Novec replacement today.